everyone. Welcome to Discover Your Essential Oils. I have to apologize. It has been a long time since my husband and I have been on here, but I wanted to do an unboxing today. Look what just came. I am so excited because who is it? FedEx? FedEx just dropped this off. It's probably they dropped it off around 5:30 p.m. and I heard something at my door and I went, I bet that's my Young Living box. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever our order comes to the door, sometimes it just feels like Christmas. An early Christmas gift. I love getting my order. I went ahead and opened this. Let's just see what's in it now. Okay, just the packaging. Not the packaging. My order form just tells me what's on there. And then the essential edge and a message from Mary. So, get ready to shop our Black Friday promotion. So Black Friday promotion, plan now to get exclusive bundles on November 29th. So everybody watch for that. On November 29th, Black Friday promotions. And I know every year they always have some amazing things that they have for Black Friday. So watch for that on November 29th. Okay, Thieves Hard Lozenges. Now, first of all, I want to ask all of you, if you see something here that you love to use, will you please leave a message in the comment section below? Because there are so many things in here. I mean, there are so many ways to be able to use some of these. I mean, I've got friends who like to use these for when they just don't feel good, or people who like to use them just because they like to put it in their purse and then have a little boost of thieves instead of having like a lifesaver or something. So any way that you use any of these products, please let us know. Let's see, I was about to put it over here, but my dog is sitting here. Oh, I got to show you my dog. She's so cute. Kalea, hi. This is my puppy dog. Her name is Kalea, and she's 2 years old, and we just love her. She was a special gift from a friend, and she's like a member of our family. So I'm just going to keep her, in the video here. Oh, you want more? You want more? Yeah, she loves the loves, don't you? Yeah, okay. Yeah, she wants me to scratch her head. Okay, another product that I have, so I'm just going to scratch her head while we do this. Kid Sense Mighty Vites. I know what's in these Mighty Vites, and it makes me feel really good. Where's the camera? Okay, I keep looking over here, but I'm going to look over here. It makes me feel really good knowing that my 10-year-old is getting Kid Sense Mighty Vites. And I have one of those little containers that has Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And he takes 4 of these a day. He takes 2 in the morning and 2 at night. And I know the vitamins that he's getting in him, and I trust them. So, and he's so good about it. You know, he eats his breakfast and then he goes up and he gets his 2 for the morning. And then after dinner, he just goes up and he gets his 2 more. And then he gets his 4 vitamins for the day. I'm so proud of him for doing that. All right, Thieves Whitening Toothpaste. Now, this is a brand new toothpaste that Young Living just came out with this year at convention. Thieves Whitening. Now, I'm getting a little bit older and I drink smoothies every day. So, you know, I've got some fruits and just lots of good healthy stuff that I put inside of my smoothies. But I know that the strawberries and the blueberries that I put into my smoothies kind of discolor your teeth. So it's nice to keep them nice and white. But I mean, for anything that you eat, and aging, let's just face it. It's nice to keep your teeth all nice and white and to support good dental health. And while we're on the subject of good dental health, supporting good dental health, Thieves Mouthwash. I have one upstairs and my husband has one. He ran out of his, so he asked me, he said, oh, please get me another Thieves mouthwash, because we just love rinsing with this every night as we're going to bed to support good dental health hygiene. Am I saying that right? All right, and here is a new deodorant, Cinefresh deodorant. This is a new product that just came out at convention this year also. We have not tried this one. We tried the other one. I can't remember what it's called. Is it a citrusy one? I don't remember, but I've always wanted to try this Cinefresh one. So I'm going to give this a try. But it's nice to be able to use these deodorants because then you know you're getting nice, healthy ingredients that you are, using for a deodorant. Super C. These are Super C chewables. And I take a few of these a day. I probably have like 3 of these a day. And then my kids have some and my husband has some. But the Super C, especially this time of year, why not support the immune system? It's a really good thing to do. And I actually love these Super C chewables because I put one in my mouth and I enjoy sucking on it. I don't chew it up. I enjoy sucking on it. And I keep them in my purse too. Why not? Oh, and another thing that I keep in my purse on occasion, if you just want something to, as an adult, if you just want something to suck on, something that's really healthy, I have kept the Kids Scent Mighty Bites inside of my purse, and I'll just suck on one of those, 1 or 2 a day. Why not? They're really healthy and they're tasty. Okay, Thieves Dental Floss. I love getting Thieves up inside between my teeth and up into those gums. Why not? Use that Thieves as much as you possibly can. Thieves dish soap. This is one of those things that I will never be without inside of my kitchen. And what I like to do, and I need to do this, upstairs, let's see, I've got some of those Thieves, what are they called? The Thieves foaming hand soap. And I need to get a new one and put it down in my kitchen because what I like to do is just put a little bit of the dish soap inside of the Thieves foaming hand soap container, and it's got a pump on it, and then add some water, and great way to wash your hands. Really good way to be able to wash your hands. So I will never be without that. Sulfurzyme. My husband and I take this every single day, and for women, especially when they're middle-aged and going through certain times in their life, this is a really good thing to support your system. Now, I normally buy a 4-pack of Ningxia Red every single month because I love to give my family Ningxia Red. But this month, because I've got a box of Ningxia Red already, so I didn't worry about buying a 4-pack this time because we are taking a trip to California. So I bought the Ningxia Red individual packets, and it comes in a 2-ounce pouch here. And what's so nice is that 2 of you can use this. So you just pour an ounce into a small little cup or whatever, and then pour the rest of it in or whatever, and everybody can get their ounce of Ningxia Red while they're on a trip. So I had to get those. And then the promotional items. Let's see, lavender lip balm is one of the promotional items this month. And when I go out into the sun, lavender lip balm is one of the things that I love to use because my lips get so dry. I dry out very, very easily. So lavender lip balm really helps to keep my lips nice and moist. Now, another thing that you can use lavender lip balm for, this is something that I just recently discovered. Those of you who are into Savvy Minerals, because I love the Savvy Minerals makeup. If you're into Savvy Minerals, what's nice is that you can take lavender lip balm and just use it just for your makeup. So put it in your makeup case, but you just take a little bit and rub it on your eyelid, because what that's going to do is that's going to hold that eyeshadow in place, and it holds it really, really good. Okay, now the other promotional items along with the lavender lip balm, this one is Abundance. Now, I'm not 100% sure exactly what to use Abundance for because I haven't really used Abundance. So for those of you who like Abundance, leave a comment. Tell me what you use Abundance for. But the name itself, if you want more of an abundant type life, I guess, just inhale it. But please leave a comment about Abundance. And then Thieves Essential Oil. What do I say about Thieves? Wow. Thieves is one of those that I will never, ever, ever be without. Camera's over here, Susan. I will never, ever be without. You can put Thieves on the bottom of your feet, and you don't have to dilute it. If you put it on the bottom of your feet, you don't have to dilute it. We do put it on our spine, especially this time of the year, just to help support our immune system. But if you do put it on your spine, definitely dilute it. But you can also get the Thieves Roller, because they do have a Thieves Roller that is already diluted, so you can roll that on your spine too. But if you don't have the roller and you want to put some on your spine, go ahead, just dilute your Thieves. Let's see. Oh, Joy essential oil. I'm gonna be honest, the first time I smelled Joy, I was not a happy camper. Joy was not part of my life. I love flowers, but it was so strong. It was too strong for me, and I did not enjoy it. But then there was this one time. I mean, I'm middle-aged and I'm a woman. We all have those moments where we might not be the nicest people to be around. But I remember this one day, I was crankier than cranky, my poor husband. And my husband said to me, will you please just give it a try. Just give Joy a try. So I said, fine, I'll give it a try. So I rubbed some on behind my ears and rubbed some in my hand, and I just inhaled it. And I am being 100% honest when I say this. Within a couple of minutes, I was calm. It helped support my mood swings. I mean, it didn't support my mood swings, but it helped me to feel calmer. And I even went downstairs and I looked at my husband, and he's like, how are you feeling? And, it was just amazing how much Joy made me feel better. And I'm actually glad that we're talking about this right now, because I haven't used Joy in a little while, but I'm so glad that it was a promotional item, because I have my cranky moments at times and stuff, and I think my husband would absolutely love for me to start using some Joy again. And not that I'm bad all the time, because, I'm not. He loves me. But yes, Joy brings joy into your life. Definitely does. So that is our essential rewards order for the month of November 2000. No, sorry. Is this? Yes. November 2019. And I did just place today a quick order, which will probably come tomorrow, because we only live about an hour away from Young Living. So when it's shipped to us, we have the YLGO. So when we just use our points and have it shipped to us. But if we are actually going out that direction, then we'll save some of our YLGO and then just pick up our order at the new Young Living building. If you haven't had a chance to get out there to that building, a trip to Utah is, it's worth it. That building is beautiful. It's gorgeous. It's all, I don't even know how to describe it, but even the Will Call Center, you walk in, I'm going to have to take some pictures, or I'll take some videos. I will go down there. I will take some videos. Just stay tuned for that and show you just how beautiful this building is. But thank you for watching. If you like this, subscribe, like it, and please leave some comments. I would love to hear what you use these products for. Everybody have a great week. And Kalea, hey, hi. Do you want to say bye? No, you don't want to say ruff right now? Okay, you don't want to? She's tired. We had a big day. But everybody have a great week.